Unit 1, Topic F, Help. I'm opening the Northwind sample database. In Access, there is a comprehensive database of help functions and topics to guide you through the process of creating and manipulating data in your database. The first and most important key on your keyboard to remember, if you like using shortcuts, is the key that is typically used in all Microsoft applications to access the help function, which is F1, and as I press F1 I access the help screen, and here we have the ability to either search for a particular topic. So as an example, when I want to know more about relationships, and I'm not talking the ones between men and women or otherwise, I'm talking about a particular type of relational database relationship, I press enter and it will go and look for all the different topics that relate to the concept of a relationship in Access. And here we have different types of content. When I click on the first one, it guides me through what a relationship is, how to manipulate it, showing me by means of a list of instructions and also some graphics exactly what I need to do in order to understand what a relationship is. If I move back to where we started from, clicking the back button there, I can also access a video about the topic of relationships. When I click on that, for instance, good videos about any of the topics that you might want to see explained in Access. When I click on the back button, the second way to access help is without typing in a specific topic. If I delete that, I can simply go and browse through the different categories. So if you're a novice and you want to learn more about Access, the best thing to do if you do not have a manual or if you get stuck is to go to the help function, open up the Getting Started section there and go and browse about what are all the things that are new in Access, how to do a quick start, what are the different keyboard shortcuts, and various other topics. So to refresh, I'm closing the help and first of all saying that the best way is to use your F1 key on the keyboard, which is typically on the left hand side of your keyboard. The other way to get help is to look for the little tell me space right at the top of the ribbon. And using that tell me space, you can either type in a specific query or a keyword, or start off by typing anything that you'd like to know more about. So if we want to, for instance, know more about a table, and I press enter, it will actually create a new table for me. If I want to now know more about how to use this table, I can go back there and get help on how to create an Access form, how to do basic tasks for Access, what's new in Access, or alternatively simply access the help function at the bottom. The other way, instead of typing a query and instead of pressing F1 on the keyboard, is to look for the little help button, which is on the top right hand side of the title bar, and it is a little question mark, so that when you click on it, it does exactly the same thing as pressing F1. So to get help in Access is extremely easy. Either you click on the little Microsoft Access help on the top right hand side of the screen, or you press F1 on your keyboard, or if you want particular help about something, you can go to the Tell Me and type in whatever it is you want to do. End of topic F.